Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi. Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwanchumu riele w'Ensoko TV karibu na ide ase chideke chigame ronge 3 na yamugure chinsi sato chabona botwe cha Afrika ya mocha sensemo yende ya kabere nga kitugo chigoswa senkwane yaito obotko bwa boro ase tugo chia korigereria iguru yukugania ku Burayi oboya nenga keria abange bagendera tekwe banga boswa bochori obonene umwaka w'echilfu 2025 na ebere ne sabari yaito asobotko bwa boro ngo tugo chigoswa ase ward ya Manga igotoka ensemo ye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba ime county ya Nyamira bwo no togoso asobot kubabona itochikulina naralia agendere tukuru aroro no mugeni itu oyuikire ime ye studio na chiko kwani nande ase entunde yega ase olia labda mbona yega wasoire gusembara gwachakire kubwatia na chiko kwani asobot kubekera tugochaka gosanga ase obwamo bwatia umurubiri oyega gosenkwani yego botwabara wetera senchire yo mutandao bekera Facebook na boigo asensemu ya YouTube Ensoko TV ase namba ya mawasiliano ase ujumbe nyingi na baadaye no chikonyora libagali wake simi ase enkwana ya ase nkwani yega asokubori libori na boigo nkere uraganie gukwanira gose commentera asobot kwabona nigere noti isano na ibere sano na isatu isano na isatu isano nemo mara gatano omwero beka isatu karibu tusange asobwamo goika omwero karibu sana omweshimiwa ime Ensoko TV na kiribya ukwani umwanchumu rigeria asobot kubona inde
obweriro umwanchumu tegereria samalieta nkoro ku Judith Ongiri ku Nyamira County Kitutu Masaba constituency ngobolinde kirogo kya Manga ward. Yes.
Asumu chakaruko tukubwa bono tigato chake kurwa senseme kwanza yoko ramanya nonyene sabari yago yogo kina sabari yago yoburai nonyena ase oiboira singe chobura yoboiga gocha kobori kirogeke wika oboroso bwae mbororonga yi oboroso bwa bwoko iburu gocha aboigo wika soburai.
Chena kinerete western province no na iboretu ngakinerororo kirona igetie miaka 10 years ngacha erisaf igali inka magombo ni mbwa I have 2 homes ngaracha magombo ngakina na my grandmother na ende bono nganganya gochimanga. That is where I grew up, that is my home now. Abone ine okuna kuogo kinakwa nogo some na soma Itirio Girls High School na avete prefect edom prefect yoburaibu ne no bwanseretabo and I was also a head girl in primary school. A university kana achete na bwate pesa. When I decided being a siasa was not my thing. But now I'm back na inde bono borai na butotageti. Yes.
Nigo gwachire ngakiria kuro serikali chege ngachia chagete mwako 2013 wikera bono yakura se ward ya Manga igege ntonkere kwalire kwarore na munganyi nora gose ege ntonkere utegeta koreto obisi ekyo labda murayoli orobisi asebon na boigo bari baraetire bataraikirania ekerenga kiage kenene kerekieke.
First of all ngotabia abantu mbamaetinga Manga nense yo mwando. The reason why I say Manga nense yo mwando is because we have a very rich cultural history gari. Metendo bwate museum ndo bwate Manga Hills. Ekeroto kuligere development level ya Manga ward, it should be at the top because yebintebi. But because yebintebi they are not in a good condition. For example, buna Manga museum ito bwate mwanyagetinge museum, it has not been maintained in a condition yera abekwe standard yengia yokoleta tourists. One of those are some of the things yekerongoligere linkoranga if done the right way ebintebi na bira konye revenue ya Manga, through that revenue tonyora magendro Manga.
Ase bintebi byon speaker woko birigire kero yomo gocho bisiomete abara kero yomo gocha ne manifesto yae.
Yes.
Na tubate yuko na priority asomo oli bwegesongo ebintu bitatu gose bibere bira chikoba chi priority chiago chintangani. The first thing of course in chana masomo. I believe ngakero mwana deserves kwende skuru. Na nebanga despite your background as much as ni onya orenga wasena abataka more, I believe ngakero mwana deserves the right yo kwende skuru. That is my priority. I will make sure nga mwata abantu bane bagotare ward tomanya ase family echi kya Manga ward family ki kitagetobo konyi so that chi basari echi chigende towards the right people because mono okonyora chi basari echi they don't help abantu chitakere gokonya. That will be my first priority. Again to giakabere Manga nyagitari we have a Manga level
3 hospital gali which is not in the best condition. Ingo korere na inde ngorwalira abantu but it is small. I believe if expanded as a capacity ratware up to 50 beds na bera konya abantu baito bamanga so that ebe raisi kurwalia abantu, people don't have to go all the way to Nyamira town Konyora. Medical services. Yes.
Ekera wacha kira sensemo yekisemi igobono kunganchira nkwira ni magegake. Wani gantu batu murubiro kurukwana CBC era so murubiro mukoro lingo 844 system.
Yes.
No chitoka ruo yo CBC baona igakira nyona bara ibaro bisikero bako boli gwa bange babon kugorena bagendere to yosira sana lakini asisemire kwa mere serikali wate bana CBC taliento kia ase omwanafunzi omworoki wa wense yetu ya Kenya. Igoro ya CBC.
Igoro ya CBC I think as a serikali ya failed in terms of CBC was doing proper orientation, not just ya seba abalimu but even ya baibuli okonyoro mo ibuli okumobolinga no metenga CBC no metaba nango enda bali baka grade 10. Parents don't know this, especially ya baibuli bali babwata abana bake, they do not understand a transition area ya CBC. Bona as a serikali ya failed is to teach or inform abaiboli bunegenteke ku work. That's why yokonyoranga there's a bit of complications na mangana CBC. Serikali yatakere kore first of all sensitization ya aliko rangelia abaiboli skuru ebatebia ya we are transitioning, this and this will happen. Bono konyoranga abaiboli we are learning through our children. Otokenga no bwato mwana grade 4 nero ra batenga ya ndo bwata matemu kerongo ika grade 6 we are doing exams. This was not systematically done. That's why oroche bwate complications, but I think it's a good system if embraced the right way na inda abantu they get to understand it. I think negentekia sana. Yes, because our children not only learn with books, wao kona mpaka practical. Nkoranda bana bago tayigurete getungu rete nyanya koraiga, you know, I think it's a good system yoko somia bana besides just the book aspect. Yes.
Ninkobolia subu ngo mona manyo kureni yagu asichisemi kirabonega.
Yes.
Kwanza nsemo kyore nigore sensemo yugo sira serikali go sensemo kwa amerelia serikali.
Injabano igende nsemo yoko amerelia serikali. Unfortunately.
Semura ikiwe. Singi chabara ina abangi tubate
ka. Abara ina abangi tubate.
Tubate matiang tubate baka maraga.
Yes. Asebona iganchende team Matiang'i for obvious reasons.
Okay.
The reason why I'm in team Matiang'i and I can confidently sit yante benga nere ngo bwatesi is because yo egasi ya yakorete. Ege ndo kegerete bono igagi is our aspirant in egasi yengi yakorete. Inere yagereta abantu bakateba yaya oyo nere tutagete because when you look at it a lot of systems in our government right now njiriko kora munachitakira gukora. We have the issue with Shana oroche bunayo kora. Agini onyorenga keria Matiang'i kerutu abwate COVID-19 abangete bintu bigachogeka. You know, we were dealing with a crisis but the management was very smooth. Lakini toroche bono igasha has had a lot of challenges. Even the transition part of it has been very difficult. Bono kerutu okurigiri Matiang'i tokorega siri ngia korete tunasema oyo nero morai. That is why we are supporting him.
Nekero okumusira bono manyokureni asechisemi nero chage tumurubiro yego CBC uyibo igobonya kwatebera na asenari minganye ibintu biri bitarayikerani.
Yes.
Igiye minute na bonye gukora gigechara ibintu biri bike bigendera tokana gwetera so murubiro CBC igobaro ruma mincha yo murayo yo.
Ege ndabantu batamanyeti Matiang'i just help with the transition of CBC. This was a project even ngaki ya Moi when they were talking about Vision 2030. No nyaretenga ki ibarakote abanga Vision 2030. CBC was one of the things. Yeah, retetu during the regime ya Mwai Kibaki. What Matiang'i did, he helped with the transition. Igota liero keretete. Ikenege ntokia vete inexistent. He just helped with the transition. But if you can recall, he also changed cabinets. So he did not fully facilitate that. Magoha nera agachagate akatema kidogo, but this was something ilianza na Kibaki. Ikatali gento Matiang'i aletete. Yes, that is what people don't realize. That's why before you have information korango research yao kwa manyanga whatever I'm talking about, is it the truth? It came from the regime ya Mwai Kibaki. Yes.
Awase county ya Nyamira bada sama somo sengencho abwo ine priority yago entangani tubata balimu abaiga ba ECDE.
Yes.
Naburagani lende abana bagende school bachiko soma basiru nechi basari gocha gocha lakini ase omwari somoro kyori yoko musomi kwaregura abange bakorera sana na intu amasilayi yeto ndorarigerwa senchira erengi buno mu MCA na kugwaterana no borai we county
obo maene. Even me as a person na bongo tebanga ECD teachers, they are not paid enough. tikangote ingegasi abalimu bali bagokorera enkongu kubwegasi abalimu abechi secondary bagokora. Why I'm saying this is because an ECD teacher is responsible for the foundation yo mwana. Nero ko determine gochimotua umwana oli foundation kiyago chigotwara. Abana abantu batakere ko earn more than they do right now. And I feeling if put in a position to do that, I will bring a motion in parliament. Abarimu ababamente ruchibesa because yegasi bagokora nenkongo, they deserve a raise. Yes.
Wachira subrayi gose engaki wachagere kubuli kero kyoburayi nyare kanena wakirire ase county yega to kwane county ya Nyamira ne county bwate emengusana ne Chimina omo governor nara wa MCA mbara engaki ene matukama igakwarare nyone paka engakiniriche asense meria bunge ya tana nikanti yabo nto bwate mashinani abo igantu bwate bono bali bale ase kyo bisijiria che county na erikwere kina emengusana ne because ngincho bora nyora sobora na nyore na ase monere buri otagete kwagemeana incheni go ntagete ko wake dance ya ne tengo ya ne guchiminoga iguru hebinte biga byonsi pire kwene kina nyone no ryo gochorete kwego tabandi bagotana ntichwe sito njiri basoka ase ngincho na nchetini go sira oryore obisi eriye kwene kina umwana inchi tari gochigotigara magiga ase ngincho yemengusana no yeno bona barayi
egento gya tokorekere ubete bona Nyamira oboroiboli to Kongo because the people who have been put in place, Chief Minister, the CECs, they are incompetent. That is why your department is very functional. A lot of departments are not running smoothly because they are incompetent.
Bakoliyo mushahara
buya lakini not much is happening. Yes. They try na bakonyoranga some programs chikoran for a short period of time but they do not follow through. Yani bagobe karende kungaina abantu nga tuwabekire programs injiro but when you follow you will realizing it's just to satisfy umwananchi but they don't run smoothly. So the reason why the challenges is Nyamira we have incompetent leaders. Ndora nyora umora yomete gasi yae. We don't have that. Like in 2027 we are changing that. That is why we are here.
Again minute na ekero goche ganyona na sense ekero kirikyo governor igo inchana mo kunya kwebanga.
I said this in a TV interview interestingly. Obora yobwane buna nabo chakirega. I want you to mark my words and keep this video 20 years from now. Oikangambe Nyamira County. And I want my work to speak for itself. Ndete nkole romo Nyamira gasi so that ekerongo cha kubasabe kura ili ekerongo kenene wanakumbuka what I did. Again abantu abatama etingo obora that is what leadership is about. Egasi yaonere okwegasi. You see, for example, Matiangi bono ige tumutageto kwa yegasi yae. Taringo kwa no mugusiare. The people who want Matiangi is people countrywide, not just Yomogusi, because that is what leadership is about. If put in a position Yoborai, I will not disappoint. Yes.
Vura kuaruru mugweka no Daktari Fred Matiangi no nyenae.
Yes.
Kerokuboli kerogeke bintumbira orate ebyo Munyamira gosoyo kurumanga naki no nyaki nkobolia tindigocha bosa na inchina ara akolire kemo bibiri bitatu igalende bibe buno boroso bwago naki lende kinara akolire biga bas mo gonsira lende bigendere ngento kikelia wekera boniga wakolire Munyamira.
Nyamira have not been in a capacity yobora in Nyamira County but what I have done before siasa yanekero na Nyansita I was a coordinator for UDA in a Kitutu Masaba constituency. And I think the fact that I was such a good coordinator, I was able to work in abantu buya and allow other people to come in. As a siasa ngonyororenga abantu bagwa kwebitina. You finding abantu mbali batatete ko work with other people because yenda mwamu. But one thing I pride myself in is the fact that I'm able to work na Keromonto. And I think that is a very good leadership quality mbwate. So that is why abantu Nyamira they need me in that county assembly. Yes.
Asa semo yende ekerokuri okubore kerogeke aye no musubati na asege kigetambe sana kwarariro muchando go chobera sensemo gocha onyoraba abangine gusaba swati bakubori biroge biga barora abande barisiko kwaroche mwangaza emine gacha iga boni ganisi kare glorio ruoba boni ganga yare boni ganisi kare nyone bari barobisi gocha bare betera amakon au asinginchu buna basubati na boye gatwara toro muchando otutada gender rule ase kigetambe sana naki ogocha gweta itaga paka otobo ya moina aria katikati ya makonwa ya gonsi pipuno musubati.
And so the first thing is ekerogo so siasa you are playing a winning or a losing game. To ko bashwa ngango ire kerogo. But what you can do buno morai is to talk to the people. Make sure that they understanding where you are coming from and explain ebintu okuchikobakolera. It's a trial game. You're not sure but what I know, my policies nebintu ntakera gukorera abantu bamanga should be enough for me to be elected.
Lakini usinumanye tegusi yaito kwaregura abange bagotebana gochoro musipati labda asekirugukyo wakilishi wabanyina gochoro musipati abanyone no mujumbe
tali raisi. It's not easy. Actually right now ase county yaito ntobwati musipati umaite. We do not have an elected female MCA. Aba sacha bonsipi all the 20 wards na aba sacha boka. But this does not meaning untoli kwenda ballot. Kwenda tole ballot. But what I have experienced even from my end ekerona sogete litangani abantu bande tinga ikero bwenerete buna enekyo boimenre ikina kimotigeire time think you gocha time why you are struggling for this smaller seat. Exactly. But bora imbo what agenda. I believe leadership does not have agenda. Na indege ntobata abantu batakire kumanya is that we make better leaders than men. Ask me why.
Aseki.
Because abangina we are naturals. That is why nyasaya totongete konyora abana. Amanyetenga we have the spirit of nurturing. Mongina tali mondora aragera atika abantu ba enjara. But you see with men it's easy to do that. Umoga kometere na bago soka tige familia yake. But mama hawezi fanya hiyo. It is called the nurturing spirit tobwate. That is why I feeling but they need to give us a chance. Arorobo gambi waitona kibore and I can assure you once about ile chance ye they will regret not giving us a chance ye sooner. Yes.
Na kero kubole kero gekega kero kuri nyone kegori kiriore na kegori kiri bangwa korata millennials na Gen Z abuno gotarira mono igemire kina ase bari ugotarira mono ugotana barabwa ase sabari ye mono na kegori kege Gen Z tuna na bakase kyombe KBC wikira bori kero kuri mubaro bokira bakuri mubaro lyobo bari basaye na oberi kirie of course abasaye bagotari ne erike kini kero kuri mubaro yo oroke sana na abaga kambale moina na bangina bagotebana intubura ini gotugenete wabantu bakonga kongire nyone babeire bamanyetina kibagokora ai no musae na sense bali ogareti bagosire bari like buna abaki chikura esabali eyo na kioko genda nero.
We are actually currently ntobwate program ya voter sensitization. We are currently working behind the scenes in HB tayari toje pake binyoro ime kolia abasaibali batabwatie bibande abasaibali batara register. We are going goche binyoro ime tobaire to make sure nga babwatire chikura egento nanyorire no bogambi obwoito bwa Kenya for the past years basaindora abatogwa akachikura. That is what I've realized. It wasn't until now. Bachete karange serikali yabeire bobe bakaranga obe. Tigango to be serious na mangana yobo choli na ndo borai.
Lakini bado mbaya soke beriki.
I am positive unga come 2027 we will witness a very big turn up. Yeah basai. Egento nenda motagere ko inyoranga ekerutu abwate by elections. A lot of people bakora chika asisiko. Abantu mete bako kanya mpaka last minute bama yagosoka. But una umorai in my capacity I will make sure I help sensitize yaba abasai bache ba register. Yes.
Tuira ne bono pakase ward ya manga toligereria egento gekurukwana chi dispensary.
Yes.
Ngwa kwanere goro nya gitari ya manga level 3 eyo labda higanire gukinwe birengo ebirengo byegero tuina pakase chi dispensary nchiri tubwate ebinyoro kwenda wekera boniga nereri chiria urakwanire ya mwibere 3 nabo igo obokoreri gwikira boni burase chi dispensary icho na kibore nabo igo murubiri ogo no ruryoyo guchikwene kina gokora chire emirimo
buna nate about the main dispensary to what ase manga nere yu ya manga sub county hospital obokoreri is very well, it's going smoothly nimbwate paka chibi chana tarororo. I had a chat na banyagitari gali bagante yeke mane the biggest challenge yero to bwate is just the bed capacity okonyora barweira abange but we are not able to accommodate bonsi because our wards chi ward echire chinke wono ni if expanded Enyagitali, by the way, it will serve not just Manga ward but even the neighboring wards. The services are going very well. The challenge, the water, of course, into a challenge, Sha was not sharing, but in terms of service delivery, I think they are doing a very good job. The last time I checked, I can give it credit. Narengo. Yes.
Kwa baraibande nabo bagocho bisekonyo regenteka kwa lemirimo. Lakini oyo litukali yagocha Kiregen to get them agenda mocha, ekende kiagenda gucha yanyi. Na asense moya Mariogo, ya Sarambiri go Chiara, Kolakanaga Chaiga, Marioga Kemsa, I can say county, umugavana uya bwato kana rindekero mu MCA aya marioge gari yago ngaya bekirwa ya rotote paka ikasaka nire kogenda lakini asenge nchumbare bako bwat stirende ko ryo burayo bwe kwanyora naru bwa chemist kyae nare bwata kanyari kae guchimwino eri kwerekina nyono bokurumi nyono na mariogo agani ko na secretary tari ko ba diverted agenda just kinse mochire naki rakora mangana yo bokurumi
amangana yo bokurumi. The reason why we are saying abantu once being one term is that because you cannot mess with the public resources. Chibe chine chio mwananchi. This is the taxpayers money chigo tume kukoleta marioga yu. Bono it's a crime kutoka kwa kwena na mariogo. Na ile ndo atebanga the minute we realize a certain leader is contributing to the same. In fact yetoko wiraka before 2027.
Tura nabaka sensemo ye chipara tubwate chipara chire under national government serikali enene na wigo asama koli alia tukurate bana aranda county government muganiro konyana no mugavana erio aigurwe wikira boniga kulira sensemo ye chipara na kichire cyale muirwe na naralia erigwane kinywane no muntu gotore cyane no metina nyamira cyane na bogo torabia lakini konye kietundu bali negasi
yes
kwerekina chipara nkoba chire na boyo nkorongia chire erio tinyare gweteka guchase mwananchi.
For Manga Ward, for example, Manga Ward is the administrative block ya Kitutu Masaba. We have all the big county offices there. Paranda atebe bwate challenge bono ya machiko tuwale challenge ne ya Manga, eli wasokera motemo mwamu. Lakini it's a national government project. Abaliende kero umurayo ito engoka roche nga our people had an issue with that na rete to moro mwaka umora and we give him credit for that because pare tiriye ne national government. Wono ninfirating ekere pare yera rosigu roche no Manga stadium no ere gali Manga. It will open up Manga and Manga will become a city. Manga has so much potential. Na rora no mbone gabantu batuta mungo mbagende tokobeka ali structure ya affordable housing ono ni feeling the next project should be that epare yuero sigwe soke mote momwamo to help conduct business and transportation katika tigali Manga one is the main road imetenga itakire korosi kubono iga yes
ase mangana yo kwena na ngora abamsie kwa ngora bakurwanira mangana ya contract hapa na pale no nyina mangana ya accountability uno mwemsie takobeka bintu tene nina ekonda yo yegentu gete nyone na se pareye ekonda ye anyibeka sobwasi kuna ki omonto etu noyo monto gete x ebese ya tumekirwe neye na eyataraka no seria sokire neye ne yataraka no neyega abo kubeka nyone tene nina ki abanyakonda naba igemirete no kubwatira negati yago na no mu governor nanga kiende mangana ngo charakoreka na ige bintu byagendege chini ya maji abande no abange no babori bakotebina ncheni manyete nyone ebintu ndo chibiko nyago
which is the case in my ward right now mugambi oli umetekera kubuli gote this is the county government's responsibility injege ntongo tebi abantu baito before tarakira umuntu ekura yao make sure ngekero kumuligere naendekera ko kwana he understands leadership bara yo metembere bakoro chiposta bagende ballot batameti functions. For example, chio MC omondo no muboli takogote. Responsibility chio MC tali kubwata chikitenda chi county. That is very different from the responsibilities chio MC.
Lakini asenale bago chabaswana.
But asenale bago chabaswana na because you might tencha nero na inde tumbo tunafunguanga. Na eno chwenyo robono. Yes. But what I can do for my speaking on behalf of myself, I want to give an example ya Ndindi Nyoro. Ndindi Nyoro bandoro che bako mwake bitina sana bako tebange kerarenge as a budget committee ari yete chibesa talibo but we can see the transformation that he is doing in Kiharu inje na rego te yabara gakino iba no chiria tikachikonya abantu. If you can use that money to support your people and help your people then we can forgive you for that. Lakini eko babo bekero ko iva na inde togo kolera abantu kasi ayibono na makosa. Stealing is not good. But if you are going to steal tikaka kichikonya abantu. You see? Yes.
Mkwanye kuigwa abantu bagotebana ati handu usiaka gakego ika mambiende kwera ni because ogo chaka ngoranga
ogo chaka ngoranga kwanyoranga you have piled up a huge debt. I just think it begins with you as a person. How serious you take Oborai. Na inde where you place your people. Abantu bao nenda yao, which one is important? You have to balance between the two. Omanyenga obisi ye na begetu na abantu. For example, in my case intebenga abantu bamanga bambege to bisinji ko bakolere gasi. To go so amali you worry about yourself. Go ikokolera abantu gasi. That's why to go tebagaki if given an opportunity hata kama umeiba let it benefit the taxpayer because chibese chine chiabo. Yes.
Chi manifesto chia bange kero koligeria amache no nyeto ya kwanete kera twachaka kulinda amache we kuya nyoro ase county chia Nairobi rugora ankora ro muchando bwa amache ngochorera kiri ase binyoro bya spiriters tokorwa no nyeno mongi no mine kero koli ose anti yago abange bagwe twetwe bibuyu
gochiroche
ekero koburio burayobo yatokana na okubalireira ninche mbarosire getacho gete ninche nkerosi buya narra alimo gochigota magotire getiro keriga baminto kwa mochigoturunka na gochiroche mate amache abange igo bagoche bachakurwanira roche nyone bitacho mbiyo goko uroche ime asenge chigetacho nkeyo na amache ayidroche
enda itekire
iga salikire erikwerekina abantu bamanga konyora bara amache amakene nukunandara marabu naboigo ara accessible gwachire chikaunti no konyora amache ari pakomuchi na keto kwanira mache ni gare devolved.
Yes. Aroti ngote banga mangane bwate challenge ya mache to be honest. Ebitachero nebinge even me at home gali nya biotondo bwate getachero. I wouldn't saying a ne issue mono ase manga yero. That is what I'm certain ninge bitachero ndo bwate. Ase ndo chomo chandora abe na ase chibasa ligabu ne chipara. Yes.
Asensemo yende wakwa na chibasari ngocha na arengo lakini wanti yankubolera ukwege na kwa ngoro kyo kibasari kero yo mata kera tware basari yayo mu MC ani mu governor na chechi mugocha mwakonya
na chechi togocha twakonya
na wakilishi wabangina mubunge na ari mu inoga lakini nabo ngo tubate liyo muraire kinyeriere ekewange class gete kinga
inche ninfiretinga it will be easier kwa aba MCH basari. The reason why ngo tebeke because omo MCA is a leader we Kenyoro. Nero maeze ngase Kenyoro kiae abantu getemba takerechi basari yechu. I feel like yekero chiko endagali county okonyoranga chiko burukana. It does not reach the right people. Abantu bali batakero chie gumbali ko chinyora. Yari ko babuye serikali onchoreria mangana yetebe ayo mu MCA tiga yakoreki ai guchi basari. Another criterion fireti yo kwena na chibasari yechi for the needy students. Abana mbale atakama mbali kweta matemu abayiboli babo nkonyara bale kubakanira school fees. Bati abana mbale okonyore Kenyoro batali konyara. I feeling a bursaries should go to the needy, deserving people. Talikero montora anyore, it cannot cater to everyone, but the deserving people batakere bachinyora. Yes.
Na bande baguchiana na obo kenyomba singikira mu manyaine inyomba gete abamba ngakirete abairi gocha kwereki ayona tari guchiyo kalekana aibu no murai nabo urabe ko burayo tebe na ayambu yore lakini mbali bali bakubwate si ase obisi
they fail you oburai mbotagete kwa ba involved to kwenda kwatigera abantu bawo everything for example jena tateiga given the opportunity to serve the people of Manga amangana yechi basari I will make sure inche personally ngo ende ground to a vet to arigererie binyoro to aboli nyarebe ngotakere chi basari yechi we have to make sure ngando what statistics to manyenga how many people need these bursaries so that to manyenga will it accommodate everyone kama haitoshi na kitogo chibaga it's very important vuno mora ikova involved na fanyikazi bao toko babeko bizikwa batiga be involved throughout the process. Know what is going on. Go to the ground. Toko batoma kwa bero obisi. Umetabara imbaro mete. Batako swana on obisi. Kasi no wake siming obisi abunda. But you see that is where we fail as leaders. If you want to be a good leader you have to be involved. Yes. Throughout the process.
Aso okora vetting ebuna gwateba. Igotora rabiburi bago chabanga inererina.
Abange. I've had cases of those. Yes. The best way you're corroborating, of course, in every band to every band and each birth certificate, just to make sure that they are matching. That's why whatever you have to do thorough vetting. To make sure that you are giving deserving people. Yes.
Nkwira nibono ase role ya guno mu MCA ekerora ali ase county assembly.
Yes.
Chibili ne chinge sana meswada ne menge sana kero yo muko eguna inchikinda ikegalia ninchino muswada oyo asenge nchonte ketoko nyomonto okurwa sensemo yamanga kuri no matu muswada rogo etire igo okonyire accounting ngima muswada yo mugo sebere elia uraganina kora ikororo kiranyarke na gwikiroro no chikoyorosi oyo ikie na inde oyo sugume sana pakoete elindo chikokonya
meswada nebere mbwate in mind the first one buna na teba ni infirating mwanyagetinge na Manga Hills they should be acknowledged by the national government chibe maintained to a national level status, so that through that we will attract tourists baache barete chibesa tokorera magendero manga. That is my first bill in plan. The second one, manga nene bobe. We deserve a KMTC there. Nimetenge inegas yomo MP, but if it can be escalated to the national government or even the county government, I feeling ine biri ndaire bunge torete runa into a college inka gali abana basometa rasma abana bagende Bosongo osa abana bagende Kisumu. We can have our own KMTC in Manga Ward. One on infiltrating, we need a vocational training institute there or say college. Yes.
Na soborai bumwe MCA kando nyone miswade ibuno kwenye kwani rambe tera bako yareta. Lakini kwa iguna goikoga and then dance.
For sure. Yes.
Oyo murai gete kakotebana.
Ende tali yawe ko okora. It's a lot others.
Yes. Murai kakotebana mogende ukolyo. Goikoga ende ukolyo. Bago tena tia togende kebe wika. Mogende kebe. Mogende guchia sensemo yekebe.
Yes.
Na aigano abaraia bankero bekiro bikomanya.
Yeah, bako make a mistake.
Komanya kuigu mwana inchi agotebana. Oyo ni gotu amochorete. Ikera achete ni gari ngumya. Lakini bono uchakire kogenda orogendo ruwa ebuli okora na ruwa chakire guchincha. Na kiora chikwene kina turi kogenda naye netengo
injomete. If elected abantu bamanga, they are my bosses. Those are the people ngo chikotegera ranchi because inavambegete kerogekyo. No, it's very important to identify who your boss is. Mogavana tali boss ya. Omo governor is your colleague. As a member of county assembly, a governor is your colleague. He might be your boss because he is your senior, but he is still your colleague. Abantu bali chiboss chao na abantu bali bawo akerekura.
Arakomigalende nkwaro chinkwira ni account ya kisi
kwa you explode it. Okoreta sabantu.
Kwa abantu babatebana umanyete sengencho yeke neke bona nche bintu mbiri gocha moina asengencho ndase ensemo ye kumwameri.
Yes. It will not reach there. Umaitomo governor kende ngearako. As long as you do right by the people, I believe no akwe bitina from the top. If you are doing right by the people na ndo kwa bakorere gasi, you should not have any challenges.
Igo wikochi gote na imara.
Wikochi gote na imara obe strict na ndo manyengi yako irete bunge. Yes.
Tura nase county ya Nyamira baada abwa setwe ekiama kiralia kibwatu maarufu sana. Ni kiama kia UPA gwikira boniga. Kero wacha kangwa tabana kwarengase ensemo ya UDA. Kikiagere tokanganya kurwaro rende boniga na inde urasa nseme yende bono mwina.
Okunganya kwa nase UDA. When we first started na UDA meterutonto wa mwakira chikura gusitika twatebekene. We voted him because we believed in his manifesto. Whatever totatingo kora arenge, we believed in it na batongainete tokamwakira chikura. But yekero chete koligere linganya oranga bintu mbia arenge wakoreka buya. Even me as a leader and as someone otakete kobomurai, I had to align myself the right way. And I felt like UDA arenge kongira buya na rochenga ebintu biri byare gokoreka UDA tali bintu na atete gokora no murai ono goikana ari kurigie nkende. I place myself there. That is why I moved from UDA.
Lerega oraboka iga umanya koigwana oyo macha kunganya kurumoina oyo ne mall igachire gutuchunguza asense meye ndi na ninga kino manyete na bukira na se umwakie kura takwege na sengenche na maitena aya nae gwatoletere tumurayo yorobisi inu ninu mwasite mukaonia agenda yiga na magatia makongwali koiguranga batena aya negatia abantu bali baleta makongwaya yiga ekerukura na so mwana inchi na kiora chokora baka bakwegene na taliaye oirereta yonsi ayiboni gore mamincha narabo
ndonda tebe into 20 mwanya bantu. Human being is to fault. You can never be perfect. Na nje tingo kolikire ligante benga ose I cannot read your mind. You can sell me an idea, ngore idea you, but I cannot tell if you are telling the truth. No man is to error, but what we can do ikero kwarorenga mangana mbo bako genda as a good leader na wokana. That is what leadership is about. When you see things vitali kwenda buya wakana. Wono nche when I reach a time ngaranga yaya whatever was happening was not okay. Nilitoka. And I think that is what good leadership is about. Yes.
Mwanchu murigeri we Soko TV karibu kala twenda tukubwatia yebono niko tukwariga ni kisimi chia gasobo tukubabona na wigo ase chi ujumbe chi nyenge namba nigere noti isano na ibere isano na isato isano na isato isano na mumara gatano omwere obeka isato na bo gwake simi ose otume ujumbe yago enyenge gabwa sobo tukubabona libori lya gubwatendere lieri go senara liari uraga ni gukwana no mweshimiwe gasobo tukubabona na yabwatike no burai na boge kerukeri kyo bwa MCA ase ward ya manga buna erere ko twaga chagete kuru mu chakano inamba ya mawasiliano nigere enoti isano na ibire isano na isatu isano na isatu isano ne mumara gatano omweri obeka isato nabo gwa kesimi yawo gabwo na kurwabwo ne nyare goswa na kurwabwo no chigukwana amo no murai ime ye studio ase obotko bwa bono oya kuboli na ine omurai yoyo ekenege ntikeria abange bakorateba na wikobe people niga kuboli na ino murai yoyo nare people asengecho asegusiye ito korarora abange bakoteba na that is one of the qualifications ya kubo murai ine naki no bwate family abange kweguna genda korararosi kesa kukwanza na ande obe family
ene swali ya sana to answer your question was in the people inje no moiboli no moibolinde lakini it in the people yes
already liabere answered yabo oya gotebana I don't understand why 90% of what you talk about belongs to Nyamira okay ne nkwana yaye igabwo ni chikonyerigeria badaye ndarigelio yondega aliboliraye oyo na makwani twirane asensemo yago buno murayumo asensemo buno umusubati nabo igono murayomo kebono gwikira boni yaseke gorikeri buna twateba naki orobereti go fanda campaign yago asengencho twara abaraya bakaba bagotema gwesokya abange mbari chibese boy kasegetiga na asitwekira boniga kwarorere bune campaign very expensive aya ngwa tene tobo chorio bobo kebwa korekana kwarenge sensemo ya nyama ya UDA
na renge nyama ya by elections
kwarorere na campaign chire very expensive gocha ko bomurai 31+2 na kioro beretie finance campaign ya
finance chane I will be financing myself. I work very hard njeno mokolie biashara wono kiriege kembwate I will share na abantu ba manga. Have I answered you? I will share na bantu ba manga. Yes.
Ige mireti na atari okugenda kuonia bange bakorate ona niki.
Wikoboni na inde gento kende na ataka kote ya bantu if people can connect with you that has more to make it best. Abantu mbalenga to meta ba keru chikura without using a lot of resources. Oborai is inborn. Once you know kebwate is your job just gukwanira abantu and if they connect with you that has more to make it best chinge but of course you need finances yes
ekerogocha obisi okay tiatore mukieye tuigwe na araria ya bwati kurwase ensemo ya Ensoko TV
oyo maina Josephat Kuruboge tutu
karibu sana
mchena ko wali mheshimiwa iga mtuo manyete buna abagusi tuarerire sana asenje oborai bwa serikali ene bwa bere botutukano omushimi wotebire ngarenge UDA nere ya murete bunge oikire ostebire how isiko chire ase kama kia mwaka matiengi mbuma ene ki abanyamira baregene nga no maene igaza teneine nande mambire dago tumaira na UDA asengenjo yati nabore ligo abantu mbale batama ku UDA bakamye gocha tege amaya Jubilee nande bamyo geto UDA bande batukabara na bateneine naga ni batebyo omo MC itoiga atere nekidete ate yanda banyamira abo maene anda batebenga tubona abagusiye etore obomo tokwa no monu oyomo gochia to mwako ito omwana ite egerto mo tugume agende bozio intu ere no mongina ate ne kabisa ekara bangina na bagotanga na bozio nento bagoto makuru ya tonya ngaba abakaka bali biyugeu
ego
okay yamana
naro mugambi no mokale nande naro ngano muntu wa division ya mambia korora tigate bia abangina bande abanguse gocha egere to bwatera ne bosyo to be ko mwako to matienge bosyo egere na into mambire to twaleta just to gota temna bagusi
yamana kwa igure ayaye
yes na igure already concern the same question kwa mbolina ki will I not backsliding ila na say UDA and the answer is absolutely not. ntubona iga buno community twatebete ng'omuntu tokobwate si is Fred Okengo Matiang'i. We think alike because ekwerende eri Fred yabwate yo kirenga kiri Fred yabwate kyo okora bante gasi na kimbwate. And I feeling being in Jubilee Party is the best for me right now, and I'm actually very excited because I currently serve as the Jubilee youth leader, deputy youth leader wa Nyamira County. Yes.
Igo already wasera sobra iwe kiama.
Wasera sobra iwe kiama we county. I'm the deputy youth leader wa Jubilee Nyamira County.
Asense mo yabasaye gwate bana egasi yomungina egasi yago nuko nacha na gukine kolera.
Yes.
Ntubwata abasaye na bwigo ntubwata abangina na bwigo abasubati bari abakabana bakabakunya gukina. Mu chando wabasaye gotaba nemirimo no mu cyando uryogendera tugukina ukirabona of course akero kuri ntubwate sense merio mu wakilishi wabangina naganire kuri rya basubati amanyena amanganabo kushughulikirwale na mu subata rutya magega nyone na sense mo yo musaye ba okonyana nonyena national government lakini sense mo yagurende no mungina na ende nkorerore abasaye bago nara yayo babangirite na boigo abasubati
ndo kiende nataka kote my brother Nyamira County yaitu especially Manga Ward to bole mo bonene sana bwe serikali obonene bore aido botabwati kiende na ndekero ukurigireri Nyamira, not just Nyamira but yo mugusi we are hard workers na abale mitore ndobwata matoke ndobwata avocado ndobwata even vegetables and fruits. If we can introduce industrialization in Nyamira County, torete biwanda, torete naone kiwanda kiogo process avocado, torete kiwanda kiogo process amatoke, we will create employment uchiasa abantu baitu. Ekina kitoko ligireri keroko totagete 2027 when we are going in parliament, these are some of the bills we are going to raise. Introduce industrialization. Leta ange biwanda, tuanzi ndoko liguchigasi. Tuanzi majority, we have a very huge unemployment crisis in Kenya right now. People have even master's degrees. But because employment yetayo, we can look for other means to employ abantu baito. Taras mo ori kuobisi yaya. Another thing, my fellow youths out there, you can employ yourself. Obode mingo ukora libora abantu. Inje personally na agote inga na biashara nko kora. I am a journalist professionally. Na chete skuru ngasomera obutangazaji buno obwao. Batikero na aligireti nkanyoranga butangazaji obo mbu alenge kwaka na bills cyane ngakesa wengao. Ngateba let me venture into business. Ase biashara bibiane I employ boys every other week. Ngoli kanda at least 6 people nkora na barabwegasi every week. If I can do that in my small capacity, given a bigger capacity, na bongo konya abange mono. Yes.
Ngakiende kwaranyolire ekera twako n'abasayi n'abangina ntubate bari bamenyete no borema.
Yes.
Ngakiende nere kuwaigweto murayonde oyo mogotebana. Na kibu no waziri ogocha sekenyoro kiane utari gontebi wacha gwakora ebintu kwagenda kwamayo chekonyorana nonye bari bagochorete ebagochanga kiende nandi bere mabate bana muraitu achorete ntu anyakomorora akamenyete asa akamenyete ntubwate bari bamenyete no barema ase ukubwaterana no mu wakilishi bwabangina na inde nayo monyene no mungina sensemejo naki ubabangirete gose naraliaya urachikuba kwanya barabwo batigara magase nginchi twarira abagotu bamenyete ne no barema bagocha batigara magiga kera abandi bagendere tokosoma kera abandi bagendere tokore ubunchuriri bwabo barabwo ninka barase ngincho mbabwati onde opportunity na uyorate na barabwo lakini mbachorete umurai.
To be honest with you, we need to start centers Choko motivate evirema as a community, and it should be mandatory even in our constitution, because these are Kenyan citizens. They deserve kotwaregasi, they deserve employment. Wono konyoranga na boko nyoro montare kerema, but they can use their hands. Na bakoro sikoseneke kabo, na bagwake bikoro terangi, na bago ikaransa somewhere au niegento seated, but na bwatama kokara atomeke. Wono infiltrating, there has to be a way yoko nature ebirema byaita sebinyoro in a way togo set up centers, employment centers. Ekero tu abekire museum elia itogari na botoko babekera kanda ali bacha barozi naone bikabo. Ekero tourist bagocha kulikirelia bintu gali museum bagore bikabo. Ngororori buna Narok yali. Unaonanga Narok pale keroli Narok. Ngonyorore nga watu wanauza ngozi ama you.
Abandi nchira kogenda.
Abandi nchira kwenda. You use what you have to make a living. Una nate employment tali tu store anya. But if you can employ someone evidently they deserve a shot to work just like everyone else. Bono abantu for example bali bokonyora umuntu ari kere marakini awata magoko, they can use their hands to earn a living. You set up a center and empower them with an activity elibaranyare gukora yokoboko. Yes, I feel like that's the best way yoko empower.
Maybe ntewe pia ekeroko bireta neba ni manifesto chi agenda nemiroberuga niti wikirania.
Yes.
Nuroberetia uchi okora mangana ko public participation asenge ncho.
Yes.
Abange bago chobisi agokore gento kolengana nero mwenyene bunata tokokora lakini wakora so mwananchi kwa iguna ntunashitaka toboriga ntuvuge gento tutegetekenene talitaye ywa gotobekera gabo ntubwate gento gito cyane to so mutanga
rangiringa abantu the stakeholders bekenyoro ikaransa na barabu. Actually one of the responsibility yo mo MCA is community work. Public participation is one of it. Whereby before kende gionse getara etabunge ke kuirana ase kenyoro kwarangeli stakeholders be kenyoro bagotebi uchiambiore oseko chiambobore. Like we said, these are our bosses. Before we pass anything in parliament we kakira etase asibale, but unfortunately we don't see this happening a lot.
Lakini abange bagocha bakora matukabira atatu wikirani
hechiko. Yes. So I think it's very important to include that also. It helps you even buno mora ikomanyanga abantu bane ngento gete batagete. No matter you cannot know everything. You are one person. Abantu baona barago tenga yayo morai toletere ngento gete. So it's very important to have that. Public participation is number one role yomo MCA. Yes.
Nse mukirie wa identify labda urachi gutumeka sana abange bagocha batumeka chihol okora public participation.
I feeling for me engotara I will be walking around tindi korangeli bantu ngasamo walk around yende binyoro ao rorango buna abantu abo bamenyete mbare barabalemi mbare batali abalemi, so they will have different opinions. It helps ekero gotara. Don't just be to baganya obatenga bono ninju you are all the same way wache te ko basaba chikura ogaoncho kanemechi. That is the same way yo woncho kana komanyangi batagete
engakiye gwika mwara sana bono ogukwana kurwega ali
uno to korosa ononye kingotara na magoro gaki kerombwate gali nindose onese gali ogoso aimilio
igotorara umurayo gochorwika uchenchi.
There's a lot of them who change, but I'm speaking for me and myself, and I want to be held accountable.
Oya mwana boli na nigora cho chenche line yago yoko kwanera.
Tingo chenche. Inambe na rombwatelio kalioka. My people know I've had this number since high school. Tingo chenche nambe. They will still be able to call me and talk to me.
Oseka chinsa gete gabono begete na chinsa chiga ne choko rara chinsa chakina namba. Tinikumo kisimi.
Okoro sankoro. Yes, okoro sankoro. We are human beings. We need to rest. But when it comes to matters development and matters your people are important too.
Okay.
Yes.
Ensoko TV. Ensoko. Eyo ya chire nsemo. Na bogwaka esimi yago so tumye ujumbe nyinge gwetera sena mbere notice ano na ibere sano na isatu nemo mara gatano omwerio beka isato na boiga sense moyende kerokeri wake esimi yago mwanchu moririri na kiere bya wake eliogi rie TV na lio tokoigwana buya oyo digakorukwa na job kurwa sensemo yabo basi agotebano your future is brighter.
Thank you.
Igo agotabana isabari eyo
santi
motu dioka ekero murayo eyo agoteba buna chibasare nigo chikwano na bobe must be given to needy people kwani abuoka na bwo bagwaka kura asense mere watebana inchiranere inchiranere bandi tekritere ngiro teto gutumeka chibasare chimanya kwena no igakubori na abuoka na bwo bagitekura uterere rierio tyatonyore no yerinde mabori abenyone na birabwo erindo yaburukani ensoko ti ensoko
ensoko
wairire buya karibu sana
ndio ngo baranganya bekari na ko yo ko na rekere buya igane tere gutenga
na chikwira ne rierio
ayira ne rierio kagare nje mate angitore nsema yae
buya mono ensoko wairire ensoko ti karibu sana kwa nangu
wairire ensoko TV
wairire ensoko
ya mono yonde ti nale ko boli umurai yonga unate bilenga tali pipo
nale na bwate familia mpaka abana
familia te bale lakini tali pipo ono na chiko kora abantu ne taraba pipo boli pipo na ro como talia omoetia se chinsana gweta no mondo mwa uligolia moetia boli
biamono okay chakiro yu alafu mwenye kona na sensemeria ichibasari
okay uyu mboli gose ometekerongo basabe kirogeke let us say no nare gotokanga ninyomire tari umugako no tegete giki ninche the truth is ninche ngo chiko bakorere gasi egento kende ndete abantu baitu baratigana for now in this day and age kopima oboraibu omonto with their partner gose mokae gose no musacho because our partners don't determine oboraibu baitu abantu mbarenga basogete bose banyomete batari gotokorere gasi abantu batochorete ose once pimba banyomete these are married people with families but that does not determine oboraibu omonto oboraibu ao is inborn kelibu no monto as an individual keliota itokorera omonto egasi obuna boboraibu ao it is inborn. It does not be determined by your partner. One to take care of you. Let us not dwell on that so much.
Tuira na sensemo erie chibasari na araiga Nsoko TV.
Hello.
Karibu sana.
Ngedio ba afikirio ko nyabukom. Koru Nyamira County.
Yeban.
Yonda tekotewa higa.
Kwanango.
Omo izimi uyare buyapi. Are buyapi. Ente kamo gyamo gosa.
Kerekieke.
Kiata getego kana. Ndi yare people. Are ko gena buna chwa.
All right.
Anyoro nyomi go sengo chi India. Go sengo chi America.
Yeban.
Igo jena to kontra ki are FTP.
All right.
Yare FTP lakini kila kiki amogosa ese viranga liviana kile kiki amogosa pi.
Okay.
Thank you, asante.
Aya mbiyamolo.
Nsoko TV.
Ai mai.
Bwairiro bya.
Mbuyolo yako kupika.
Karibu sana Peter.
Mba benjengio banyaru. Kama no manyate.
Yeban.
Akaro mura yako tako sabati kula ko sababu ya sana ndako sabana mako kawe.
Yeban.
Ko gati. Ebintu bya ko batayo mate ko toka.
Yeban.
Ko gamba muna ko na biyo ko diana ya kya banyaru. Oma timbu atie para pingo tango ile none ja makori ankoria matawe.
Nga yowe talien.
Mana makori menkoria matawe sike.
Okay.
Lakini mbato mwizimi bwa. Omo bati yako na vale riso byo borai. Ngidina matawe ngatabu ati pipo.
Yeban.
Pipo na bako toka o tola pipo antora.
Yeban.
Bako toka ko sara kiora.
Yeban.
Ngena ala ko matedinga ala ka bwa to mugo ko ata ya ko ganda indi buna bantu ba tebi. Ala bono dio na be na mo ajo ko abantu. Na ne ko ke ke ko. Na bara nyoro no jino mu ga.
Asante, thank you.
Tanyo ari simia ya mokuru abo na bato gokora. Nsoko. Bwairiro bya.
Oye, bantu kirenze ko birango mu seto to mo na tere kiongo.
Karibu sana.
Ni ya bitutu masaba. Digamos na to 40 magalia pega wegare ku otoperia mangana
kwana nere
una wuchi ko woli kerogo ekera wuchi ko woli kerogo uma eta bande mbaro ba wuchi aso ekera ba so iritu ba o tu ere sera bu yo to ngai ni to kwana bu yo to bu ngana mbi yago to kwana ekera so iro aroma nya kwando kira pita go to nyo ninki yego je kia ga ngi ata okora korere mere maka ya kwanete ekeranye koli 92 agenda ninambi ya agenda angira neri ni gukorubira ngo museto tusomo ngamaje
bia mona tuchebona kwa yegure ase muchando karo monene kwa yegure ni gori moino nande kwararira bara ibande egwikano nyene ngakieria guchikogonkia nkwara oyo mako genda baka akwenda nyone na America
Kwenda
kugongeria oro onyore ntubwate nyagitari nyone nkisi ntubwate nyagitari meyense ogenda onganya yani nyagitari eriuga ni rikorosia na gukinie bebirengo birirende na na boko genda orore kanyona gakuba gakorire kwa chencha lakini ngakiekero kwenda kugonkia kwagenda ense engao bono bwatani bono no uri obori na nigo oranyoro borai
ngende njinsoke India. Ometa maswali bako boli is very valid questions. Ana maswali nanyorire so far. And egento ndete ko bateinche as of now ekerengeri kiani kioborai will not be disrupted na kende gions. The minute I decided ingango na narenge ballotina manyetenga, I needed to dedicate my time and my life gocha sobo koleli bo mwananchi egasi. Bono nimetenga boundaries injire ndali go cross. For example, mangana yo konyoro mwana. Ngenjote yo ndali nende genji konyoro mwana ngumbu kitobwate nyagitariga.
Lakini kwa yarorire.
Na nyarorire. It happens a lot. We know of a certain governor ochiete ngumbu akabera gali yangu mwako mugima. Akairana na abana babere. Oh no, it happens. But what I know no murai wanzi kwa kolera bantega asiengia na indo nore very confident. Yegasi eri kwa kolire no metenga nyagitari amariogo naro. Abanyagitari ngokora bari gasi. You should not have wasiwasi cyogutama. Bari bagutama bari batakoretie gasi.
Okay. Iraneli libori lyo mwerio yali ngegoro yokwena na gwechi basari.
Yes. Okwena na gwechi basari oliobolinga barabu bari wakachikura.
Yebana.
You see ekerochi basari echiko ba released. They target a certain amount of people. Kali kero umuntu oranyore. Bagote bagose maybe kaba abanafunzi 10,000. Onyore wodi ebwata abanafunzi 40,000. Of course ekero chire limited weikori gerimbarabi bachiganetie. You give the priority as bali baganeti chibasali echo because you cannot cover the whole world. That is why nate banga okora aligere family ki chitali konyara go support abana because basari echinjiri go cover kero mwana. It is for a specific amount of people. Yes.
Rero na Alhamis coach tariki chiga 20 na kianda na ndeki kwenyora sekero giki kamera yago neye ere namba 3 chisekunu na 30 choka ngwari gete composition ya seskuru ne
yes
rika ri uko liago guchese omwaki ekura
uchiase omwaki ekura number 1 kamoranje abantu bane bamanga please tigatora chenchi okoboko kora tema oburai bwabangina Munanje igana atenenere ngo basabe kirogo Judith Ongiri I will not fail you. Twara akorire gasi n'abantu banemba manyete they understand my work ethic na indemba maetenga tingo ba fail. Egento kende omonde kerago chako basabe kura yao muboli ngegasi yo MCNRL inkiyogo chikotokorera what will you do different. Mona go tebi good the same stories over and over and over and over. Egento gya gatatu abasacha n'abaya na indento banchete. Lakini asemanga bwa basinyire. Korate mango musubati morore bunako bangamanga nayo. Ende ni maetenga ni maete konyabanga. Asante.
Mema no mwanchu muri gwa Nsoko TV asoko bwati umurubiri oyegane nkwane igakuru muchakana gwikira bwari ngana twikire omwerio nabo igasensemo eria yamaya yechinsa isato gwikira bono iga chiatige chidekebere choka chirage chideke 30 gire chinsa inyachia bono botuko ase bari bayane kina amariyogene chibichanko gochirare asenchira ere ya bene ngamona Barnabas Felista Kaberi amona Brian Achaka nako ganiriyo botukobya wekeria nkyo chinsa inya wekaisana nemo tumira naso murubiri rweto robini asoko morekera ayagendere tokorekana rogongo rwagusi isko rogongo rwagusi gwika isko yense yaito ya Kenya nako ganiriyo botukobya reteriane
one time
Ishmael
obotukobya
Mongere